And the red button has pushed. Come here, Minnie. Good girl. Good girl, Minnie. Good girl, Minnie. I'm going to call you, so don't look down. Good girl, Minnie. Good girl. Not out. Not out. Good job. Good job. Minnie did it. Becky, great job getting her in. Becky, look at, she's got her little trusting partner there. Did some canine aquatics. You know, she's not anxious to want to get out right now.
No,
so
she's doing good. And we didn't let her jump out, notice? That's a strategy to let her come in. Good girl. You get to give me big slobbery kisses for that. Good girl. Oh, I love you. Good girl. That's
probably really nice on a really hot day when the water's refreshing.
When they're really, yeah, that would be really good. I'm so proud of you, Minnie. Minnie did it with big wet kisses.
Where's the toy?
Good job.
Wait just a second. Let me see if she's interested in this toy.
We'll keep filming just in case. I'm so proud of you. You don't get to kiss me like that often, but you deserve it tonight.
Do you want the toy? She goes, if it was a hamburger, yes. Come on, Min. Do you want the toy? Come on, Minnie.
Will you be there on that side in case I need it? Come on. Oh, she's thinking about it. Minnie.
Cozy.
Hi, Cozy.
Cozy.
Minnie. Oh, look. She's going to come on her own. Minnie. Good girl. Yes. 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 Good girl. Yes. Minnie. Good girl. She did it. Oh, my God. She did it. You got her. Good girl. She did it. Oh, I can't swim to keep up. There we go. Good job, Minnie. Oh, well, that's all right. I couldn't catch it.
She'll probably come back.
Good job. If you want to kiss me, you have to come in. Good girl. She did it. Did we get that on film?
Yeah.
That's so awesome.